Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Preston and I'm super excited to share my first ever YouTube video with you guys. You might know me from TikTok. That's pretty much literally the only thing that you might know me from. But we're here for the big game, okay? Today I'm going to be reviewing a product. I'm not sponsored in any way, so don't think that I am sponsored. I can be though, just to let you know. But the product that I'm going to be reviewing today is the Pure Festival palette. So here's the product. My first instinct is, oh, I can see myself. Hello. My first initial reaction is that it's honestly kind of bland for like the names, like festival. Like I get that it's like regular girl makeup, you know what I mean? But you know, with a name like festival, I'd expect something more colorful, but I'm sure that the product definitely makes up for that. So since this palette has more natural colors to it, I'm going to go ahead and pull inspiration from that when creating the look. I'm definitely going to go for a more natural theme. Alright, so if you haven't already, go ahead and hit subscribe, and I'm going to be right back with my face shaved and my base makeup done. We're going to get right into it. I have my base all done. Look at my highlight. Oh my god. It is poppin'. Anyway, it is time to start in with the eye look. Alright guys, don't look too close because I know my skin is not perfect. Also, there is a piece of powder that is right here on my nose throughout the entire video, so I am so sorry. Back to the video. The first thing that we're going to do is take this shade right here, Epic, and we're going to just pack that right here on the crease. And I'm just following my natural curves that are already in my bone structure. To get the most color, I'm going to start packing it into my skin. So immediately I can tell that the quality of the eyeshadow isn't as good as I've previously used. And the next thing that I'm going to do is take Modern Desert right here. Sorry for interrupting, guys. I'm editing right now and I just realized that that says Hidden Desert and not Modern Desert. I'm so sorry. I'm stupid. I'm blind. I'm sorry for interrupting. Back to the video. And we're going to take the same brush and put it right underneath that same color. And this is going to create a blending effect. And don't worry too much about finding exactly where your crease is because we're going to go over it with concealer and define it more later. Alright, now that that's all taken care of, we're going to take All Night right here. We're going to place that right underneath that with the same brush. Alright, now I'm going to take a blending brush and I'm just going to buff out all of those colors so that they kind of blend seamlessly together. But I don't want to blend too much because I still want some of that color to pop. Just the right amount. Alright, the next brush that I'm going to be using is this little brush right here. And I'm going to go in with that dark All Night again. And I'm just going to pack that right underneath just to define that darker edge again. And I'm gonna go ahead and bring it right here to the corner of my eye as well. All right, and once again, I'm gonna take Hidden Desert and I'm going to bring that transition shade back. Perfect. Alright guys, so basically I repeated what I did on the top, but just on the bottom. Next, I'm going to take a concealer and I'm going to just carve out my crease. So I'm just going to take a little bit on that brush, and the first thing that I'm going to do is just line right here on the very bottom. Next, I'm going to look up, and it kind of gives you an idea of where your crease is going to be. And for me, I like to draw it just a little bit higher than that, just because I have really masculine features. I like to counteract that with overdrawing feminine features. Now that I have the concealer all carved out, I'm going to pack a shimmery shadow on top of it. For this, I'm going to take Psychedelic, which is going to be this gold right here. Next, I'm going to take the pink shade Wild Child, and I'm going to pack that right in the corner of my eye. I'm trying my absolute hardest not to get any fallout here. But as you can see, it's getting a little wild. Alright, now for the finishing touches, I'm going to be taking 24 Karat Magic right here, this shimmery gold color. And I'm going to pack that right on top of my lid. Alright, now it's time for the liner and mascara and all that goodness, so I'm going to do that really quick and I will be right back. Here's the final look. I put some lashes on, I put some white liner on my waterline. The flower crown I actually made myself, but as far as the palette goes, I'd rate it a 7 out of 10, only because I wish that it had more vivid colors in it, but if you're looking to buy this palette, I would definitely say go for it. Also in the description below there will be a list of all of the products that I used today that aren't going to be filmed, including my foundation, the blush I use, eyebrows, everything. So go check that out. Guys, thank you so very much for watching. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, give me some love. I will see you guys next video. Love you guys. Peace.